Hello, NCA Nation. I am John DeJulius, Chief Revolution Officer of the DeJulius Group, and I'm so excited to be working with all of you again and sharing with you that NCA is creating a webinar series certification that you and your leadership team can take. It's a webinar series, 7 webinars in 2025 that is going to allow you to create a world-class dry cleaning experience. The goal is not for you to be the best dry cleaner in your area. We want you to be the best experience your customers have in their day. Okay, so when they leave your dry cleaning experience, okay, they then go to the restaurant, the doctor, the salon. It pales in comparison. So it's really cool. It's a certification program that you and your leaders have to attend every webinar, okay, in order to get certified. But then you're going to have a certification at the end of 2025 that you can post at your counter, on your window, on your website that says your dry cleaner has been trained by the same training company that has trained the Ritz-Carlton, Chick-fil-A, Celebrity Cruise Line, Starbucks, and many more. So we've made it so easy for you. The first webinar is the kickoff on January 23rd, okay? And then everyone will follow in, every other month starting February, okay? April, June, August, October, and December. Okay, and each month are going to be focused on a different topic around building a world-class dry cleaning experience. If you can attend it live, it's a 1-hour webinar that I will take questions from you in the last 15, 20 minutes. So you can ask me anything you want, okay? If you can't attend that month's live, you can watch the download at your leisure. Okay, you just won't have the ability to ask me questions live. So I'm so excited about this. I guarantee you this is going to be one of the most incredible values that NCA has ever brought you that you could use for new employees, existing employees. So I can't wait to see all of you on our kickoff webinar January 23rd.